Gulaman.
Dear Siren, di ko alam kung kailan mo mababasa to. Di ko din alam kung anong magiging reaction mo. Basta ang mahalaga masabi ko to. Hindi natin alam kung gaano ba tayo magtatagal sa mundo. Pero masaya ako kasi medyo along my way. 50 years from now, I'd be so old. I might forget you. I might not remember na nakilala kita. Or I might not forget na I once cared for you. I might, pero I still strive. No, I'll fight for the memory. Kasi sa bawat oras na lilipas, I'll lend you my shoulder for you to cry on. May ears na handang makinig sa mga kwento mo, my hand for you to hold, and my feet to walk with you. But I can never lend you my heart, because it already belongs to you. Gusto ko ako yung taong nasa tabi mo, habang pinapanood mo ang pagsikat at paglubog ng araw, at kahit dumating ang dapit hapon ng ating buhay. Marami akong dinadasal sa Panginoon, yung mga binibigay siya, may mas magandang binibigay. I once prayed for a red bike, it gave me blue. I lost my old cap, he gave me new. I asked for a friend who'd always be there, who'd always be true. I prayed and I prayed, and one day it came true. That was the time that I met you.
Lola, okay na po ba?
Okay lang po, opo.
Tara, ako na po.
Oo, papa. Hindi na.